Hi, my name is Keval and today I'm going to present our work on continual learning for anomaly detection in surveillance videos. Due to the exponential increase in number of CCTV cameras, human-based surveillance has become nearly impossible. Traditional approaches fail to work well for complex applications such as video surveillance. The first stage of the algorithm extracts appearance, location, and motion features. The feature vector is then passed through a sequential anomaly detector that continuously updates its definition of normality. We test our proposed approach on benchmark datasets where we surpass the state-of-the-art results. For the UCSD dataset, we show that our proposed approach is able to continuously learn from few samples and outperform other state-of-the-art methods. We also present our performance on a CCTV dataset where the main goal was to learn different nominal behaviors. As seen in the figure, we continuously learn new patterns and behaviors, which significantly reduces the number of false alarms. Continual learning should considerably improve the current video surveillance capabilities. Thank you.